Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to add members or team members in your Trello workspace website. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and connect with your account to it. And after you succeed on creating or opening the connection to the website, I will need you to follow these simple steps. So simply to start or to add people in your workspace, you will need to go to your workspace here. And as you can see, this is my workspace. It is called as follow. And of course, here you will find your boards, highlights, and views in of your workspace. And basically, there is a choice that is called member. Either you can directly click on the plus or go and click on members. And here you will find the list of the members that you have in your workspace. And as you can see, there is a button that is called invite workspace member. Then you will add their emails or addresses, for example, like the.com, and you will add the email, give them a message that can be sent to them, or you can basically create a link and then uh, send them this link in their inboxes or direct messages, for example, in WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever a social media or any message platform that you are using with your work member. Or you can just click on this plus sign and you will do the same operation. You will add example, you will add just their emails here or their name if they are already using like Trello. So you can add the username if you want, and then you will just send them the invitation. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.